In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CostMiner for material takeoff. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in construction estimating, this guide is designed to help you navigate the software with ease. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can accurately perform a material takeoff using CostMiner. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to CostMiner's website, which serves as an essential tool in construction estimating and takeoff processes. Once you're on the site, locate and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, pause here and go ahead and set one up. Logging in is a prerequisite to accessing your projects and getting started with takeoffs. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. Here, find the project you want to work on and click on it. Before proceeding, it's crucial to ensure that you have already uploaded a plan or drawing you'll be using. In this example, we'll be using a floor plan, but the steps are similar regardless of the type of project you're working on. After confirming that your plan is uploaded, click directly on it. This action will open the plan in a new window where you can begin to interact with it. Next, you'll need to create a new item in your material list. Look for an option that allows you to add a new row. This is where you'll input your first item. Type in the name or description of what you're measuring. After doing so, click on the quantity cell. This step is critical because it ensures that all measurements you take henceforth will be associated with this specific item. Now let's set up our measuring type. Look for the option that allows you to change it and select Trace Area. With this setting active, you're ready to begin measuring areas directly on your plan. You'll click on the corners of the room or area you wish to measure. One of the benefits of CostMiner is its intuitive design, which automatically snaps to and calculates measurements as you click each corner. This feature ensures precision and makes the process much more efficient. Continue clicking on each corner of the room until you've completed your shape. The software will connect the quadrilateral or polygon automatically and calculate the area for you. Once you've finished measuring, input the rate associated with the material or service for this takeoff. Ensure you enter accurate data to avoid discrepancies in budgeting and forecasts. And that's it. You've successfully completed a material takeoff using CostMiner. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to manage and estimate projects with greater accuracy and speed. Thanks for watching, and make sure to practice regularly to become even more comfortable with these tools. Happy estimating, everyone!